Connect more with Cable Matters products. Easily extend a DisplayPort signal up to 32 feet for 8K resolution or up to 80 feet for 4K resolution with a DisplayPort extender. Simply connect the DisplayPort cable from your source to the port labeled Input and another DisplayPort cable from your display to the port labeled Output. External power is required. A micro USB charging cable is included. Optional mounting holes are included. Beautifully designed and carefully engineered to be powerful, versatile, and easy to use.